Well, here we go. Today is a new day. Yesterday, not so fun. Went out in the morning, tedded everything. Not quite gonna be able to get anything baled, but it was, it was kind of a stagnant day. Not full sun, and then all of a sudden, clouds roll in. I look at the radar. It is nasty coming our way. So, of course, got rain. It wasn't nasty. It turned out to be kind of a gentle rain. Lasted maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Ended up getting 3/10 out of it. Yeah, no sunshine afterwards. So, couldn't really do anything. So, it's about 11 now. The grass is finally dried off, and I'm going to go ted it and assess the damage. See, because today's forecasted no rain, but it's going to be mid-80s, patchy clouds, and no wind, and like 70% humidity all day. So not a very good drying day. Tomorrow, going to be hotter and same humidity. They say tomorrow is going to feel like a mid-90s, upper 90s. And then in the afternoon, about the time we're ready to bale, they're saying 25% chance of rain. And after that is 70%, 60%, rest like the next 7 days. So do or die, man. Do or die. Alright, latest update. It is 5 o'clock. And knock on wood, no rain. Everything got tedded twice today. So 2 of the fields, that's 3 times, and 1 field is 4 times. So the field over here, I bet it got over 1.5 inches of rain on it. That's my guess. And the field over there got a 1/2 inch. No, it got 1 inch. 1/2 inch one time and a 1/2 inch again. And then the horse farm, he said it got a 1/2, but he didn't get the rain before. So his, boy do I hate that bounce. His survived. It still looks good. It lost color. It still smells good. But mine, going into round bales, very unfortunate. The real unfortunate thing is I'm about 3 hours away from baling today. But being 5 o'clock, after tedding it, let it set 2 hours, rake it, let it set 1 hour, bale it. By that time it's dark, dew is set in, and I'm done. Oh, check this out. Well, yeah. So here is our intersection. Oh, there's actually a truck coming. This is for real, what I can see, okay? I got my forks almost out in the roadway. Sometimes cars swerve by, like, oh, there's another car. Oh, there's another one. What else is there? Take a gamble. I don't know. Pull out and see. Yeah. So yeah, that's great. See nothing but trees and only a car when it's too late and you're already pulled out. Going over to get the rake. Gonna hook it up, take it over to the horse farm, drop it off there, hitch a ride back, and get my truck, then go mow the yard again. So we'll continue this tomorrow. See you later. It is 10:10, and surprisingly the dew is almost all burnt off. Still humid, but I'm just certain, Dad's certain, this is going to be fine to bale in a couple hours. Get it raked, get it up in the air. Sun's getting a little bit stronger as we talk. Gentle breeze, not much. So should be able to bale it in a couple hours, and they're saying like around 2 o'clock is when the clouds roll in and chance of rain increases. So hey, more rain. Wilson is heading over to the orchard to go ted it, so I'm gonna go check on him quick, and after Dad gets this raked, he'll go over, rake that, and then finish up over at the field that got the most rain. But let's go check on Wilson. I just don't. Tedding it definitely is the right thing to do, but only the really wet stuff held onto the leaves, but the leaves are all crap. Much as I hate to, I'm gonna round bale it. And it see, it doesn't even have a good smell. It'd probably look nice in a bale, small square. It'd look nice, but I would just rather it be round baled. I don't want to try to sell some small squares that's been rained on. Now the stuff at the horse farm, that's his hay, and he's okay with it. He's not okay, I mean, you know, he needs small squares. And the field got baled last year after a 4-day rain event, and horses still ate it, and it was baled wet. I was surprised how wet they baled it. It wasn't me, it was some other farmer. So far things are going okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and spray out the radiator of the 4430 because of all the weed, seed, and chaff and all that crap. So I'll go do that, and he'll be there about the time I'm done. I think they are baling now. They should be. Hopefully they are. Okay, good. They got these pine trees trimmed back, so that's not scratching against the barren. That's a good thing. Nice. Just fit. As I'm refueling this, getting ready to head out, Dad calls. Hey, just make sure you got equipment coming. Yeah, they're on their way. Okay, well, thunderheads are coming from the south this time, so yeah, might need to get that baled. Thanks. All right. Nothing like a good little poke and a prod to hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And Wilson stopped. Oh, they're doing the bale length thing. Okay. Cool, cool. We're baling. Not the best moisture, but the clouds are coming in, and it's not going to get much drier. It might drop a couple points, but it's not going to get to where we don't have to spray. So that's the reason we got the spray, and that's why we're using it. Not too big a deal. It'll keep just fine. And for it getting a ½ inch of rain on it, actually still looks pretty good to bale. Still has plenty of leaves. Yeah, overall, I'm pleased with it. And I always forget how fast second cut goes. And third cut goes even faster yet. But for real, we're gonna be in and out of this field in less than an hour. 10 acres, awesome, I'll take it. First cut, boy oh boy, it's such a grind. Well, Dad's baler, he's got some steel piping in the plumbing, and it's letting rust go on through and get into those nozzles, and it keeps plugging up the spray nozzles. So only got a couple windrows left. Wilson's gonna finish. Come on, keep up. Dad called again. He said, you guys bailing? Yeah, we've already got the back field done. Working on the front field. Well, you better hurry up. As you can see, right here. Coming from the south. Come on, baby. We can do this. I kicked her up a gear. It just needs to go
to the west of us a little bit. That'll keep this field dry for a minute, and hopefully allow Mike to get that orchard ground bale. That other field's a total loss anyway, so don't really care what happens to it. I think we're gonna make it. If not, it'll make a good video, right? Oh, that worked out perfect. Got that one last bale, made the final bundle. Bundle is complete in the baler, or bale. Bundle is complete in the barren. All right. Stay away. Now we got to hurry up, pick up. We got more that could fit on the trailer, but that's okay. We'll make it work.
Go away. I think we're gonna make it. Why it does that? I don't know if it's in the switch. For hay that got rained on, I think it turned out pretty nice. I mean, the moisture monitor is picking up the stems, that moisture. Everything else is super dry. It'll balance out. It'll be fine. That spray do what it's supposed to do. Yeah, I think it turned out nice. like this net wrap. It doesn't stay clung to the bale. Hay's nice and dry. Glad to get this baled before the rain shows, which last I looked about half hour ago, it said it was going to be here in an hour. Nah, don't think so. We got 20 to fit on this trailer. Dad says he gets 16 with one in the middle on the top row. So we'll see how that works. I think we can go too wide maybe, I don't know. Nice, nice, nice. Got one left over, carry him back. We plunked one in the back of the dually when we dropped off the tractor. Probably wouldn't have had to do that, but threw straps real quick while he was gathering. So yeah, all we got is like not even a mile that way, but a couple turns. Better safe than sorry, that's what I always say. I don't think anybody else ever says that though. The clutch on that tractor is electronic, and it is unforgiving. I mean, there's times you can try to feather that clutch the best you can, and it'll still jump horribly like that. I'm telling you what, once you operate that for a minute, you lose your religion pretty quick. For whatever reason, those forks or those spears, once they get stuck in there, they don't want to come out. Yeah, glad I round baled this. I mean, that's just stalks. Doesn't stink. Cattle love it. What we got? 1, 2, 3 left. 1, 2. You can put the last one on the flat there on the back.
Getting all finished up. Last round bale. I'm assuming Dad wants to load up skid steer. So we'll get that loaded up. Go drop off this truck and then head home. Hopefully. Who knows?